Hello everyone, how's everyone going? Sorry, bit of a time difference we had. That's why just got bit delayed with the time. But today I've got a one of my mentoring students, one-on-one YouTube mentoring students, right? So I wanted to bring him here today just to share his story, his journey, and pretty much I'll let you introduce yourself. So why don't you go ahead and introduce yourself, mate? Where you from? What do you do?
All right. Thank you, Sanjeev, for the invitation. Okay, my name is Shahril Sohami, or you call me Shahril. That's the name display over there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm from Malaysia, specifically in Penang State, right? Actually, I've been working in the corporate sector for quite some time, around 7 to 8 years now.
Yeah.
But then I take a leave. I would say like stop from that, then do some my own small family business.
Mm.
At the same time, I do some insurance, and now I'm joining the YouTube automation to as my I would say like side hustle. Everybody doing a side hustle now, right?
Yeah.
So I'll just one give a try, specifically on the faceless YouTube automation. Yeah.
Yep. Awesome. Awesome. And prior to finding YouTube automation, did you do any sort of online thing before, or this is your first thing that you're doing online as a side hustle?
As a side hustle, I would say I joined some of the affiliate. I mean, in my country,
Yep.
affiliate program or drop shipping, but yeah, just a small one. Not I not getting any big sales or what. So
Okay.
just like really a side hustle. I say.
Right, right. Now, which is just awesome. And what has your experience been so far doing? I believe you started about 1.5 months ago, something that like that, right?
Yes,
How
correct.
has it been working directly with me as like your one-on-one mentoring coach? Like, how has it been? Because I believe you were looking into like a lot of other different programs, and somehow we actually got in touch, and that's how we started working together. So share a bit about like how has your journey been so far with it?
All right. I've been really good. I would say, okay, what? How do I start in YouTube automation? Is like I saw a lot of video with faceless video. I
Yeah.
could say that if you understand about the faceless YouTube, right? So I've been searching for a program or that that can really guide me to do this YouTube automation, because I noticed that there's a lot of how to say the tutorial or guide in the YouTube
Mm.
saying that okay, you can do a faceless YouTube automation doing using AI or something. I mean DIY, right? DIY.
Yeah.
But actually, you need a really a lot of things to do, not just like create a simple video using like Canva or something, then you just upload. Not just like simple as that.
Yep.
So that's why I found out this Sanjeev channel. Then I look at their his videos, everything, and start to contact with him. And then I decided to join his one-on-one mentoring program,
Yep.
because I know this we need. I need a really specific guidance or mentor to guide me on this YouTube automation,
Yep.
because like I said just now, right? It's not right just doing video in the camera and just upload. No, it's like creating a good video, a voiceover, script writing, and in the what YouTube strategy itself. You need to
Yep.
learn about that. So that's what I decided how why to join the Sanjit 101 mentorship. And so far it's very good. We have like a couple of one-on-one session video call. Right?
Yep.
There's a lot of info that and the knowledge that I gained from the call. And
Yep.
then working with a team, yes, is I'll say is good, right? To in early stage we have some things to adapt with,
Yep.
but I would say at this time around 1 hour, I was sorry, one month plus, I would say it's getting better. Then I believe the team is with, and me will be good in the face, right?
Yeah, sure, sure. But like at the your channel, I believe, is started to blow up right off the gate, right? And which
Yes,
is just awesome news.
yes,
But most of the time, when people actually start their YouTube automation channel, they pretty much they start everything without a monetized channel, right? But the huge benefit that you got working with me, I provided you with a already monetized channel. and
yes.
uh, and what has your experience been so far working with a team which I actually set up for you as well, and like what has your experience and also challenges has also been, right? Because there's also challenges with any business.
Yeah.
So do you want to share a bit about that, your team and the channel as well?
Okay. Maybe some of the people out there that doesn't know that to get a monetized channel or to get monetized in YouTube is, I would say, is quite hard. I
Yeah.
would say that, right? So being able to have a monetized channel that provide by Sanjeev in his one-on-one mentorship is something that I really love it, right? Right, because we can I mean, we can get monetized as soon as the first video,
Mm.
right? Because I noticed that some of the people, maybe after 10 or 20 videos, just get monetized. They will just
Right.
start to gain some money. But directly monetized channel, yeah, it's good, man. It's good. Okay, and then for the team, yes,
Mm.
they've been helping a lot for the channel. I would say 70, 80% or to 90%, they're doing their work for
Yep.
me. I really happy with that. And then the challenges, like I said, it's a early stage. I think you need to try to adapt with the workflow and then the communication, everything, right? But yes, I noticed that being like 1 month plus or something is getting better and better, and I happy with the team that they
Yep.
can provide me the video. Uh, yeah, and I would say yeah, it's good, man. It's good. I really love it.
Awesome, man. Because I was talking to a few of the people actually from different programs, and they like this is like I'm not making anything up, but they've already been in that program close to about 7 months, right?
Oh,
And
okay.
they've already uploaded like they're doing everything like um, they hired the whole entire team,
Mm,
and still like 6 7 months their channel isn't monetized yet. So
yeah.
it's like very hard to get monetized on YouTube if you don't know the right way to do it, right? And
Yes.
for any of you who actually doesn't know, you cannot just start up a channel and just be monetized. To get monetized on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So 4,000 watch hours is a lot, right?
Mm,
And
yeah.
you cannot just do that in a day or two, right? But
Yeah.
huge benefit that he's actually got, and that's just one of the bonus that I actually give. He actually knows the amount of bonus that I actually give my mentoring students, right? Including the team setup and everything like that, right? So they can actually have a better start because when I actually started, for the first 9 months I struggled a lot. I spent a lot of money, close to about $20,000. I like spent on different coaches, different program, different mentoring, right? And I just don't want people to go through that hassle, just to even make a single penny online, right? So I wanted to make it as easy as possible for all of my mentoring clients.
Okay.
Anything else you wanted to share in terms of YouTube automation? You said you did watch a lot of videos on YouTube. So is it best for people just go out there and get all this free knowledge, or is it best if they just invest in themselves and then get the knowledge just like that?
Right. Like I said earlier, there's a ton of YouTube tutorial on the faceless YouTube automation, right? Yeah, there's a ton of it. And yes, if you watch them, watch the video is I would say it's really simple, right?
Mm,
But
yeah,
actually, it's not.
yeah,
Yeah, because there's a lot of things need to be considered. And then for YouTube automation, I mean faceless YouTube automation is I would say is a long game.
yeah,
It's not a short term. So because you might not get a couple of thousand in a short period, right? I mean short time,
yeah,
right? It will take some time. So having a monetized channel right away is a bonus, man. It's a really bonus.
yeah,
So like I said just now, there's some people like after 7 to 8 months already only get monetized. So
yeah,
from that they will only get a penny, right? So if let's
yeah,
say you're really interested or you really want to how to say take serious on this YouTube automation, I will really suggest on the program or one-on-one mentorship with Sanjit so that he can really guide you and everything about this YouTube automation and giving provided a team directly provide a team to guide
yeah.
you. Yeah, I really recommended it.
Awesome, man. And another thing that is like, how many videos you gonna be watching? Like, you can watch thousands of videos and you won't get any results, right? And it's gonna be very difficult for you to even understand the YouTube algorithm, because it's like a process to understand the algorithm, right? So again, I think you're freezing up for a bit. Can you hear me, right?
Okay, I my headphone just turned off. Can you
Okay.
repeat again? Sorry, so sorry.
No, I was saying like how many videos people can watch just to understand the YouTube algorithm, right? And I don't think
Mm,
there's any specific video that actually shares with you the YouTube algorithm, right? So,
yes, agree.
so
Yes, yes, yes.
and I'm quite impressed like how you actually managing everything. I'm like really quite impressed the pace you actually moving in, and like the team that you actually guiding them step by step, or you need to do this, you need to do that. So it's all about being a leader, right? So the team can actually follow you. If the leader is just a bit shaky, the team will just be all over the place, right? So I'm really quite happy with how far you have came, and like how far you're gonna go with this business model.
Yeah, it's about manage a team. I learned something new about it.
Yeah,
I do work with someone. I mean, in those back days in the corporate world, right? But I didn't manage people. So for this YouTube automation, I learned something new to
yeah.
manage a small team to get the work done. Yeah.
No, but there's again, there's like most of the videos that you actually shared with the audience is like they're telling you it's gonna be just very easy. Like you give your team this, and like it's gonna be very easy, But like
Yes.
it is a process, because if you haven't managed any team, you're gonna be dealing with like a script writer, voiceover, thumbnail designer, video editor, and all these parts you have to be checking, like, one by one. So it's like really easy if I can provide my clients with the right team, so they can actually just have a quick start like that.
Yes.
So again, thank you so much for taking out your time and coming. I believe we have a huge time difference, so
So sorry about it.
all good.
So sorry,
Uh,
guys.
Anything else you wanted to share with the audience, people who actually sitting on the fence, and like, do you have any final words for them?
All right. I would say if you guys really want to take try YouTube automation, faceless YouTube automation, right? I will highly recommend it to go with one-on-one
Yeah,
mentorship with Sajid, so that you can get all these I would say fast track to start your YouTube automation business. And there's a lot of business. There's a lot of bonus that you will get
yeah,
from joining this one-on-one mentorship. I really
all
recommend
good.
it.
But hang on the call, I got another few things I wanted to discuss with you. So we'll
All right.
discuss that after this call. So again, thank you everyone for attending this live call. If you have any questions regarding anything, you can just put in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to answer all your questions. Thank you again, and my God bless you all. Thank you.
All right.